Question 4 of the May 2012 summer paper, Unit 1 Physics. Question 4 focuses on electrical power, in particular power of a television. Modern televisions use small amounts of power. Which of these describes power? It's a multiple choice question. We should recognise that power is the rate of transferring energy, where time is important. So the only correct answer there would be C, energy transferred per second. Moving on to the next question, which is a calculation question. Command word is calculate. A television is connected to a 230 volt mains. When it's switched on, the current in the television is 0.25 amps. If we use the formula page, we will discover that electrical power equals current times potential difference. Potential difference is just another phrase for meaning voltage, measured in volts. So then we substitute the numbers in. 0.25 amps for current, 230 volts for potential difference, and we end up with an answer of 57.5. So 57.5 watts is the correct answer. Describe what's meant by current. We should recognise that current is the rate of flow of charge, or a rate of flow of charge. 1 mark for the idea of flow, and 1 mark for the idea of that it's flowing charges. Turning over. Part C, when the television is switched on standby, the power consumption falls to 0.5 watts, so it goes down. State how this changes the current in the television. Well, the current's reduced. If the power's gone down, the current must have reduced. Simple as that. The cost of electricity is 26 pence per kilowatt hour. Show that the cost of leaving on standby for 48 hours is less than 1p. So this is a calculation question where the answer should be less than 1 penny if we've calculated it correctly. Go to the formula page, you'll find that the cost of electricity equals power times time times the cost of 1 kilowatt hour. This is a 3-mark question and it is quite difficult. The reason why it's difficult is because power has to be measured in kilowatts. Time is in hours and cost is in pence. We're given a value of 0.5 watts in the question, but we need to convert that into kilowatts. So we have to divide it by 1000, which gives us 0.0005 kilowatts times 48 hours times 26 pence. The answer there is 0.62 pence, which is less than 1 penny. It's cheaper to switch the television off instead of leaving it on standby, but suggest another reason why that's a good idea. Well, 2 basic ideas. Conserves energy, so conservation of energy, reducing energy waste, and reduces the risk of any fire hazard. Any one of those would score a mark.